Hello everyone, you're welcome to my channel Learn and Earn Academy, and today in this video we are going to talk about International Press Day. The 2020 theme, Journalism Without Fear or Favor. On May 3rd, national and local celebrations of World Press Freedom Day will take place around the world, some in the form of online debates and workshops. Now, UNESCO is launching a global campaign on media and social media channels with a focus on journalism without fear or favor. An increasingly complex media landscape, the sub themes are safety of women and men journalists and media workers, independent and professional journalism free from political and commercial influence, gender equality in all aspects of the media. Now, World Press Freedom Conference 2020 was organized annually since 1993. The global conference provides an opportunity to the journalists, civil society representatives, national authorities, academics, and broader public to discuss the emerging challenges to press freedom and journalist safety and to work together on identifying solutions. The Netherlands is the host for 2020. UNESCO and Netherlands had planned to hold the conference from 22nd to 24th of April at the World Forum in The Hague. It is now scheduled for 18th to 20th October at the same venue. It will be joint celebration of World Press Freedom Day, 3rd May, and International Day of End Impunity for Crime Against Journalists, 2nd November. The decision to postpone the conference has been taken to minimize the cost and risk for all involved in the wake of decision by the World Health Organization declaring COVID-19 as a global pandemic. The planning of conference was underway with more than 1,000 registered participants and 60 confirmed sessions. The program included the first ever International Forum of Legal Actors on Academic Conference on the Safety of Journalists, a press freedom festival targeting youth, and award ceremony of UNESCO Guillermo Cano World Press Freedom Prize, among many other sessions. The most important network of media stakeholders had already confirmed their attendance. The conference organizers invited all partners to continue their engagement with the event and will work towards ensuring the same program with an even greater level of participation in October. Now, what was the origin and purpose of World Press Freedom Day? Now, it was proclaimed by United Nations General Assembly in December 1993. In December 1993, following the recommendation of UNESCO General Conference. Since then, 3rd May, the anniversary of Declaration of Windhoek, is celebrated worldwide as World Freedom Day. May 3rd acts as a reminder to the governments to need to respect their commitments to press freedom. It is also a day to reflect among media professionals about the issues of press freedom and professional ethics. It's an opportunity to celebrate the fundamental principles of press freedom, to assess the state of press freedom throughout the world, to defend the media from attacks on their independence, and pay tribute to the journalists who have lost their lives in the line of duty. Now, there is a big issue in India when it comes to press freedom. Over the past few years, we have seen journalism not restricted to mere journalism, but it has become an activist. The journalists have become less news anchors but more of activists. They want to raise issues, they want to debate issues just to seek attention, to get more viewership, without realizing that what they are supposed to do is to convey, to express, and to share the news in the public, that too without bias. But those days are gone. Today, what we hear in news is all a desperate strategy to improve the ratings of the channel, which is very unfortunate and sad. Press, which was considered the fourth pillar of democracy, is no more the fourth pillar of democracy. It has left its place to the people who have made it an activist job. Thank you.